Hello guys, good day. So we are now preparing for the round 3 sa our pork na competition. So I am now preparing the pork tonteki. It's a Japanese savory dish. So ayan guys, sinasalang ko lang siya dito para mas namnam yung lasa niya. And also we are cooking the dried garlic. And yeah, we are now ready for the garnishing and plating for our dish.